Hey everybody, today I'm doing a video on texture, patching with texture. This is a pretty simple method I use without a compressor, without a hopper or nothing like that. Of course I have a compressor and a hopper and all that, but this is just going to be with a brush. I know there's many different ways of doing it, but this is the way I do it, and somebody may find some value in this. If you do, go ahead, subscribe. Alright, so I've got two different types of mixes here. On this side I got a really soupy one. This side I got a stiffer one. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Anyways, for a knockdown, I'm sorry, I'm going to start with the orange peel. I'm doing it right here just on a cardboard box, just so you guys can see the color and the texture better. If I do it on a piece of sheetrock, you may not see it. Of course it takes practice. Everybody is going to figure out their own method. But this is a pretty good orange peel. Gonna look pretty good. You don't want it too wet, otherwise it'll drip. But that looks really close to an orange peel. Of course, when you're doing a patch, if you're patching this part, you're gonna shoot a bigger area, maybe a 2x2 area, just to blend it in. A little knockdown on this side. Of course, this is a stiffer mud, and it's never really easy to match what somebody else did before. But this brush helps. It's a lot better than those little cans they sell, and I've never really liked them. This has always worked good for me. So I also do a texture on ceilings. They call this brush a whisk brush. And they sell these at Ace. It's just a plastic brush, but it works fine for this. And they sell these at Ace Hardware. I don't know if they sell them somewhere else. That's where I've gotten them at. But as you can see, this does the trick pretty good. I do popcorn with these a lot too, and it's worked out fine. I'm just gonna knock down the knockdown, and give it a few seconds. This is 5-minute mud, so it dries pretty fast. But as you can see, it works pretty good. It's real easy to blend in different. So that would be an orange peel, and that would be a knockdown. Like I said, they sell these whisk brushes at Ace Hardware. So you guys have a great day.